Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time checking in, I'm Mike London. I'm a photographer based in Denver, Colorado. And this video is going to be a little different. It's going to be more of a tutorial and behind the scenes. It's going to be based around long exposures, especially without having a tripod. I don't know about you, but I don't like bring my tripod everywhere I go, or say you're out shooting and you forget it. Especially in street photography, it can be too heavy or it takes too long to set up. So in street photography, it's really better to not have one. But you may be asking, how am I supposed to get long exposures without a tripod? Well, with the Sony cameras, it's pretty easy. They have IBIS, which is in-body stabilization. Allows you to not use a tripod, use very slow shutter speeds, and still be able to get a steady shot. I'm going to strap on a GoPro so you can come with me, see how I set up my shots, see what I used, whether it's parking meters, fire hydrants, flower pots. You really got to use whatever is there. And with that being said, let's get into the video. Okay everyone, now that we're out here, this is what I mean by using anything that you can find. So this light's about to turn green, going the other way. So we can just use this right here as something here. See how the building's completely sharp, but everything else isn't? That's kind of what you're going for. Let's try that again. I like that composition. Ooh, that guy's not paying attention. Perfect. Oh, he ran the red light. That's what it was. Let's try it again. Just came out nice. Try a new spot. You can also do what's called a panning shot. It's a little harder. We're gonna try to get that bike once this turns green. Pretty good. More bikes. Any of them? Ooh, fresh. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you want to see another video like this, just let me know down in the comments below what you want to see. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button. And with that being said, we'll see you in the next video.